Ringre jopuonjre kod jotich mag mbalariany ma Pwani mane owito ngimagi e masira mar apaya Naivasha otieno manyoro ne otere kar kano ringre ma Chiromo. Ringre jopuonjrego 9 kod jotije 3 ne nitiere kar kano ringre ma Naivasha tok masirano. Gavana ma Kilifi Gideon Mung'ao kod jagoro mongirore migawo mar somo Belio Kipsang ne oriwore kod anyuolagi e rwako ringrego. Masira mane onego gi notimore tich ang'wen e apaya ma Naivasha Nairobi tok bas mane giidho brege chot. Ji 17 nowito ngimagi e masirano manoyudo nyaka matatu. Ji 60 mamoko medo yudo thieth.
We have been working together to make sure that the bodies were moved. 4 of the bodies were collected from Naivasha and taken to mainly those who are from Western Kenya. Decided that it is more closer to deal with the bodies from that particular place. And this afternoon I engaged with the Vice Chancellor, Professor Kiama, so that he can be able to facilitate and support the colleague of Bwana University. We would also want to thank Egerton University that has been accommodating the other students. There were 124 students in 2 buses, and Egerton has been able to organize for counseling services and supporting the students who were in the other bus, because they were also traumatized because these were their colleagues.
We are working closely both with the families. Where there are issues, we'll see how much we can do to make sure assistance so that they don't strain too much.